Hello everyone, myself Ratin. So today we are going to start with our daily current affairs uh, from 1st June 2020. Okay, here we are going to cover all three important topics like international affairs, national and state specific current affairs. Okay, so first topic is World No Tobacco Day. World No Tobacco Day is observed around the world every year on 31st May. The day spread awareness about harmful effects of tobacco and to discourage people from using tobacco products. Tobacco use is considered to be one of the leading preventable cause of mortality in the world. According to the World Health Organization, nearly 8 million people in the world die each year of tobacco use. Now, out of these 80 million, 1 million Indian die each year because of tobacco use, which is 1 million is 9.5% of the total death of India. So you can imagine the harmful effect of tobacco, just considering that about 10% of the total population which die every year in India is due to use of tobacco. India has about 120 million active smokers. Now, obviously, as it is so harmful, the Indian government has a rule to regulate, which is COTPA Act 2003. The full form of COTPA is the Cigarette and Other Tobacco Products Act. Okay, now next topic is World Milk Day, which is observed on 1st June. Now, obviously, the World Milk Day is observed why? To provide us the information and the importance of milk in a human being's life. World Milk Day was established by United Nations Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO. Now, for Milk Day, obviously most of you know that what is Operation Flood. The Operation Flood was started on 13th Jan 1970. The father of White Revolution was Verghese Kurien. The Operation Flood was a three-stage program which started in 1970. First stage was to 80, second stage 81 to 85, and third stage was 85 to 96. See, round about in 30 years, because of in 30 years, and the milk availability per person was almost doubled. Okay, 2 times हमने milk availability per person in India कर दी थी because of Operation Flood. Okay, now coming to next important topic, it is government extend the existing foreign trade policy. तो foreign trade policy present वाली कौन सी चल रही है? It is 2015 to 20. So obviously because of COVID-19, government has extended the same policy up till 31st March 2021. And few changes have been made in the DFIA and for import purposes. Now, export during April, February this fiscal dipped by 1.5% to $292.91 billion. It is basically due to the lack in demand in the international market. Now, one thing when we are talking about the foreign trade, so two facts which are very important, like the largest trading partner of India is China, which has about 84.4 billion USD of trade with India. But the most important thing which is to be noted here is that the trade is highly negative for India and is favorable for China. It is 51.72 billion USD in favor of China, while the second largest trading partner of India is USA. Here the total trade is 74.3 billion USD, but the trade is highly favorable to India. It is 22.9 billion USD favorable to India. Okay, now coming to import during this period has also declined. So CBSE has introduced applied mathematics as a new academic elective. India has a great potential for applied mathematics and research, but due to the curriculum which is highly static, we are unable to create more research jobs. So the applied mathematics course is designed to enhance the knowledge and skill of mathematics that are required to be successful in different field of future career. Now, the approach of applied mathematics subject will be practical, and the students are expected to learn through practical application of mathematics in different disciplines. Those students who have passed basic mathematics in class 10th are now allowed to offer the new academic elective applied mathematics at senior secondary level. NPPA set up prize monitoring and resource unit in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory has become 12th state to get the prize monitoring and resource unit, which is known as PRMU, on 1st April 2022. It was set up by the National Pharmaceutical Pricing Authority. What are the main points of prize monitoring and resource unit? So the PMRU is a registered society. It shall function under the direct control and supervision of State Drug Controller of Jammu and Kashmir. The unit will be funded and supported by NPPA for its recurring and non-recurring expenses. The PMRU shall help NPPA and State Drug Controller to ensure the availability and accessibility of medicines at affordable price. The unit will organize seminars, training program and other information, education and communication. Ministry of Defense received the USD 8.82 million FDI during 2000 to 2019 period. The Ministry of Defense has received foreign direct investment of 8.82 million during the period as per the data provided by Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The FDI in defense sector was aggregated at 2.18 million in 2018-19. See, the data showed that during the period April 2000 to December 2019, the foreign fund inflow in retail trading stood at 2 billion. The top countries from where India attracts maximum FDI during the period are Mauritius, Singapore, Japan, Netherlands and US. It is a very important question for prelims. Sometimes they give 4 of these options and request you to arrange in a serial order. So you need to know that highest is Mauritius, then Singapore, then Japan, then Netherlands and then USA. The total merchandise import from China was 76.3 billion and it decreased to 70.3 billion in 2018-19. Now coming to the most important part, which obviously most of you cannot get anywhere else, and the state current affairs. The wildlife census is to be held in Rajasthan from June 5th. ठीक है, June 5th से राजस्थान में स्टेट सेंसस लेगा तो स्टेट फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट विल कैरी आउट अ वाटर होल सेंसस ऑफ वाइल्ड लाइफ इन ऑल द फॉरेस्ट एरियाज. इट विल बी अ 24 आवर्स एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है, 24 घंटे के अंदर ऑल द फॉरेस्ट स्टाफर्स, नेचर एंथुसिस्ट एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल पार्टिसिपेट बाय ऑब्जर्विंग एंड काउंटिंग द वाइल्ड लाइफ स्पीसीज दैट विजिट ईच वाटर होल. ओके, तो ये वाटर होल सेंसस है. नेक्स्ट, गुजरात प्लान्स ₹5,000 crore फॉर आत्मनिर्भर पैकेज. तो ऑब्वियसली प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी हैज इनिशिएटेड आत्मनिर्भर भारत program where we need to be self dependent for all the manufacturing and service products. The state government has planned a major relief package modeled on lines of central government's Atmanirbhar package to revive the state economy by giving the COVID-19 situation. While the package is likely to be announced in a week, it will comprise of two parts, one offering direct financial benefit and other reform led. तो ठीक है, इसके दो पार्ट होंगे. एक तो सीधे पैसे दिए जाएंगे, ठीक है, और दूसरा रिफॉर्म्स किए जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो बोथ ऑफ देम विल इम्प्रूव द कंडीशन ऑफ द इकोनॉमी एंड सेल्फ डिपेंडेंस. ओके, based on the report of the expert advisory group led by former Union Finance Secretary Hashmukh Adhia, the state government is looking to provide a boost to the sector which generate employment in large number. Accordingly, the agriculture, MSME, service sector, real estate and small businesses are expected to get a major boost through this package. There will be a direct interest subsidy as well as tax concession. ठीक है, तो दोनों चीज होंगी इसमें. एक तो सब्सिडी दी जाएगी, ठीक है, और दूसरा टैक्स को कम किया जाएगा. ओके, और टोटल अमाउंट इज 5,000 crore. ठीक है, तो कमिंग टू अवर नेक्स्ट, मध्य प्रदेश विद 225 बर्थ इन 4 years, मध्य प्रदेश काउ टॉप सरोगेसी रेस. तो काउज इन मध्य प्रदेश हैव लेड द रेस, है ना, ऑफ सरोगेसी. टोटल कितनी 225 काफ्स बनाई है. बेसिकली वी नीड टू रिमेंबर फ्यू पॉइंट्स लाइक विच काउज आर यूज्ड. तो दे आर द मालवी, है ना, नेटिव हैं मध्य प्रदेश की. व्हाट इज द टेक्नोलॉजी विच इज यूज्ड. तो इट इज IVF, इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन, है ना, जो सरोगेसी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होती है. और मेनली कौन कौन सी वैरायटी है. तो दे आर गिर, साहिवाल, मालवी एंड निमारी. ठीक है, कमिंग टू अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. Chhattisgarh government take austerity step to tide over fiscal crisis. Obviously, not only throughout India but even throughout the world. The coronavirus has shut down the economies throughout the globe. So in a bid to tide over the fiscal crisis mounted by coronavirus crisis, Chhattisgarh government on Wednesday announced sweeping austerity measures to curtail public expenditure. ठीक है, तो इसमें सबसे मेन इंपॉर्टेंट बात क्या क्या है. दे विल बैन द फॉरेन ट्रेवल बाय ऑफिशियल, purchase of new vehicles, creation of new posts and suspend payout of annual increment and promotion till March as per the circular issued to all the departments. ठीक है, तो no direct recruitment or appointment or compassionate ground can be done, है ना, till next year as per transfer policy. ठीक है, ट्रांसफर में भी गवर्नमेंट का काफ़ी खर्चा होता है ना. तो if the expense is to be bear by the person who is to be transferred, तो ठीक है, there can be a transfer, but on the government expenses there will be no transfer. Annual salary increment भी they are not going to provide. Now coming to next state, Bihar plans to provide tap water connection to all rural household by March next year. See, जो रूरल हाउसहोल्ड को वाटर कनेक्शन देना है, तो दिस इज अ गवर्नमेंट जल शक्ति मिनिस्ट्री का देर इज अ प्रोग्राम, है ना, तो विच इज नोन एज JJM, है ना. तो बिहार गवर्नमेंट हैज प्लान टू प्रोवाइड टैप वाटर कनेक्शन टू रूरल हाउस होल्ड, है ना, नेक्स्ट ईयर, तो मार्च नेक्स्ट ईयर, तो विच इज मार्च 2021. वाइल सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने जो अपना प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया उसमें कब तक लेना है उन्होंने 2024 तक. तो बिहार गवर्नमेंट हैज प्लान टू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट 3 years अर्ली. ओके, तो फॉर दैट गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑल्सो एलोकेटेड एन अमाउंट ऑफ रुपीज 1833 करोड़. ठीक है, फॉर दिस. इनके अलावा और भी स्टेट हैं, ठीक है, बिहार के अलावा विच हैव प्लान, तो वो कौन कौन सी हैं? हरियाणा, ठीक है, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, उन्होंने भी प्लान किया है, दोनों ने बाय दिसंबर 2022, ठीक है, टू कवर द मिशन. सेंटर का टोटल प्लान फॉर द मिशन इज 3.6 लाख करोड़. ठीक है, लिक्वर सेल 65% ड्रॉप हुई है, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ ग्रेट हर्डल फॉर द गवर्नमेंट बट गुड फॉर द सोसाइटी एज सच. ठीक है, तो नाउ IIT कानपुर हैज डेवलप्ड अ प्रोटोटाइप ऑफ अ portable ventilator to support medical infrastructure. Due to coronavirus, obviously the demand for the ventilators have increased a lot, and even US has promised India to support in the to provide ventilators. तो IIT कानपुर ने एक पोर्टेबल वेंटिलेटर डेवलप किया है इनके बायोसाइंस एंड बायो इंजीनियरिंग डिपार्टमेंट में. ओके, okay, now coming to next, it's Uttarakhand cabinet approves COVID sample testing by private lab, travel between districts without pass. ठीक है, they have allowed, है ना, प्राइवेट लैब्स को भी टेस्टिंग के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो a movement between different districts has been allowed without pass. Now Himachal Pradesh school will charge only tuition fees. ठीक है, it's a very critical issue, like how the schools are stating their point of view, like that even the online classes take a much more effort from the teacher and also need an infrastructure, you know, but when they are not able to collect the fees, how they are going to effort? And on the one hand they are asked to collect only the tuition fees, while on the other hand they have to pay the complete fees to the teacher and also provide them with the infrastructure to take the online classes. Obviously it's a very complicated issue, but even okay, you need to know just the point that Himachal Pradesh has asked the school to connect the tuition fees. इसके अलावा और कौन कौन से, तो also the same notification has been passed by Delhi and Jharkhand. Okay, now coming to our next topic, it's Asia's largest wheat procurement operation was over in Punjab. So how much was the wheat? It was 128 lakh metric tons. ठीक है, even due to still, है ना, after coronavirus crisis, तो पंजाब मंडी बोर्ड हैज बीन एबल टू procure 128 lakh metric tons of wheat. Now coming to Haryana, so Haryana to release ₹65 lakh incentive to farmer for crop diversification. So it's a very good important topic, like what is crop diversification, what is the importance. See, अगर एक खेत के अंदर आप एक ही क्रॉप को उगाते रहेंगे तो देन द इशू विच इज़ गोइंग टू बिकम दैट वो कुछ मिनरल्स जो उस क्रॉप को पर्टिकुलरली चाहिए तो उन मिनरल्स में वो ज़मीन जो है वो डेफिसिट हो जाएगी, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए आपको पेस्टिसाइड्स और वो सब मतलब उसके लिए उसमें वही इंटीग्रेंट केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स आपको लगाने पड़ेंगे विच इज़ अगेन अ हार्मफुल थिंग। तो व्हाट क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इज़ लाइक कि आप एक ऐसा क्रॉप लगाएं लाइक जैसे जो फील्ड्स हैं जहाँ पर नाइट्रोजन आपका कम है तो ओके तो वहाँ पे लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स लगाने पे, ठीक है, क्रॉप लगाने पे आपको नाइट्रोजन फर्टिलाइज़र लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ओके। तो व्हाट इज़ द क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन प्रोग्राम ऑफ हरियाणा? इट इज़ जल ही जीवन है, ठीक है। तो अंडर दिस स्कीम तो जल ही जीवन है, ठीक है। चलो, तो नाउ आफ्टर क्रॉप डाइवर्सिफिकेशन नेक्स्ट कम टू महाराष्ट्र। तो नेवल डॉकयार्ड मुंबई डिज़ाइन लो कॉस्ट टेम्परेचर गन, ठीक है। तो ये टेम्परेचर गन क्या है? ओके आप सभी लोगों ने देखा होगा एक वो सिंस द कोरोना क्राइसिस तो यू मस्ट हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट ओके दे आर मेजरिंग द थर्मल टेम्परेचर, थर्मल स्कैनिंग है ना विद द हेल्प ऑफ हैंडहेल्ड गन। तो ओके नेवल डॉकयार्ड ने इन हाउस अपना प्रोडक्शन किया है विच इज़ बिलो इवन, ठीक है, लेस देन 1000 रुपीज़ पड़ा इन्हें, ठीक है। खुद से डेवलप किया अपना लो कॉस्ट थर्मल और इसकी एक्यूरेसी है वो 0.0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट इट्स गोवा। तो गोवा हैज स्टेटेड टू सेंटर दैट बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क नॉट फिजिबल इन गोवा। तो गवर्नमेंट हैज इन्फॉर्म्ड द सेंटर दैट सेटिंग अप बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क इज नॉट practically feasible in the state in the view of absence of floodplain and banks of polluted river stretch. See, the mining in Goa, mining and loss of biodiversity has been a great concern for Goa, and even Supreme Court has stated several times that the mining should be controlled in Goa, okay. So Andhra Pradesh CM launch scheme for farmers on first anniversary of his government. तो ठीक है उसका स्कीम का नाम क्या है? रायतू भरोसा केंद्रालू। What is the scheme? It is RYTHU भरोसा केंद्रालू, ठीक है। इट विल बी वन स्टॉप शॉप फॉर ऑल द फार्मर दे, है ना, एंड it will assist them in every step from the purchase of seed to their sale of their final product, okay. Each RBK will be have a digital kiosk where farmer could place order for input that would be delivered at their doorstep, okay, and it will also aid the farmers in marketing their produces. Now coming to Telangana. So Telangana Chief Minister has also stated that they will soon be providing a scheme for the farmers. So already there are several schemes in the state of Telangana, like Raitu Bandhu. Okay, schemes for agriculture in Telangana are Raitu Bandhu. Okay. Now coming to next, तो कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट मूव्स ओपनिंग एग्री मार्केट टू प्राइवेट फर्म्स, ठीक है। तो ये रिसेंटली कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट मैंगो डेवलपमेंट एंड मार्केटिंग कॉर्पोरेशन साइंड अ MOU विद फ्लिपकार्ट फॉर द सेल ऑफ, ठीक है। तो कर्नाटका ने किसके साथ? फ्लिपकार्ट के साथ क्या सेल करेंगे साथ में? मैंगो, ठीक है। तो इट्स गुड, दे कैन आस्क इन प्रीलिम्स. Government is also in a advanced stage of inking MOU with Innova Agri Business Park and couple of other private retail participants. Okay. Now, Kerala has launched free internet project called KPhone. ठीक है, क्या नाम है? KPhone. Tamil Nadu has commissioned 16 substations, ठीक है, to improve the quality of power in its 15 districts. Okay. Now, Utkal Divas is celebrated in Odisha. ठीक है, it's also known as Odisha Day. ठीक है, कब होता है? 1 अप्रैल. क्यों होता है? ओके, ओडिशा डे और उत्कल दिवस इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द स्टेट इन द ईयर 1936. ठीक है, तो 3-4 क्वेश्चन है इसमें. उत्कल डे, इट्स ओडिशा डे ऑन 1 अप्रैल. ठीक है, स्टेट वाज फॉर्म्ड इन द ईयर 1936. कहाँ से कटी थी ये? ठीक है, 6 डिस्ट्रिक्ट नेमली पुरी, बालेश्वर, संबलपुर, कोरापुट, गंजम एंड कटक. ठीक है, इन्हें काट के न्यू स्टेट ऑफ उड़ीसा वाज फॉर्म्ड एंड द कैपिटल ऑफ उड़ीसा वाज कटक, है ना. इन द ईयर 2011 द नेम ऑफ द उड़ीसा वाज चेंज टू उड़ीसा. ठीक है, कहाँ से? उड़ीसा से चेंज हुआ. और साथ में जो लैंग्वेज थी, it was changed from Odia to Oriya. Oriya to okay. Assam to provide functional tap connection to 13 lakh rural household by the year. Again, जल जीवन मिशन के अंतर्गत. ठीक है, ये भी असम भी लाइक बिहार, दिल्ली अभी कुछ देर पहले ही वी हैव कवर्ड. ठीक है, तो दे आर गोइंग टू कवर टिल 2020. नाउ कमिंग टू अरुणाचल प्रदेश, CM इनॉग्रेटेड 2 ब्रिज नियर इंडियन चाइना बॉर्डर. ओके, तो दे आर 2 ब्रिज. वन इज 50 मीटर. ठीक है, तवांग Chubdas, ठीक है, over Tawang in the Tawang district, and another is 45 meter Sukha bridge on Sukha river. ठीक है, तो this was the current affair for first. Okay, thank you, have a nice time.